Hey guys, I'm Madison.
And I'm Mallory.
And today we're going to be reviewing
PeachyBbies slime!
This looks really great, so let's get started. Here is PeachyBbies slime. We got mocha mint, you can see it, and it also says it at the bottom of the jar. She provided a packet with some glitter and also borax. The packet has all of her social media. We'll need to open it up so you can actually see it.
Alright, so here it is. Her YouTube, PeachyBbies, and Andrea x Andrea, so you can follow her there. Alright, so here is mocha mint, and you can see all the little sprinkles inside. I really like her sprinkles. And here is the slime. Ooh, this is really soft.
It has a scent, kind of like a mint.
And chocolate.
The two combined.
So this is mocha mint cloud cream. Oh my gosh, it's so soft! Wow!
I love how soft it is.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh, what? Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry guys, I just love how soft her cloud cream is. Wow. Wow. This is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna focus there. Alright, so I really like the sprinkles in this. She also sells those. She also sells the sprinkles on her shop. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it makes clicking noises. I don't know how she gets it to make the clicking noises and like cloud cream. Like, wow. This is a really nice slime.
You can make a perfect swirl with this one, and we're probably gonna post some pictures of it on Instagram.
Yeah.
So if you want to check that out, then it's at CatsCraft MC.
The scent in this one is like a combination of chocolate and mint, just like how it says like mocha mint.
It's really soft.
It's just really soft. It's
that's
so
my
soft.
That's the main thing that I like about the slime, how soft it is.
It's just so soft.
But also, the chips in it, the chocolate chips, really do add a nice texture.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, this is another slime that you should snatch right up. Way to go, Peachy, and you get a double thumbs up. Definitely be sure to check out all of PeachyBbies' social medias, and they will be links to them down in the description. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.